So I just wanted to show that my engine light came on, but I still had to drive it. Everything is like it's normal. So in the morning, I'm going to have to try to figure out why my engine light is on. And we'll see what happens. All right, everyone, I woke up and now I got to deal with the car. I have my engine light came on, so we're going to try to figure this out. I'm in the car. And there is the engine light. So what we got to do is go underneath, pop the hood, and I think what's wrong so we're popping the hood, and now what you want to do is, well, you don't want your car on. There's no need for the car to be on. But the terminal is corroded.
Oh yeah.
Really bad.
Yep.
So the hookup.
Take that one off first.
And then I'll be using it with this to clean it. And this. So first we got to disconnect it. And I'm going to disconnect it and I'll show you how to clean it. And now we have this right here. Pop this up, and what I want to show you is you take this, and this can clean it. It's just like a wire little brush, and you're just cleaning it. But you got to clean that, and then you got to take that off. Those got to come off. I'll disconnect this. Okay, everyone. So what we're doing is we clean the getting this. This tool right here is just a wrench, and basically you want to disconnect the negative first. And then after you're done taking that off, and it takes some time. I mean, it is work. Nothing's easy. Nothing at all. If anybody tells you it is, they're lying to you. Meaning they don't know what they're doing. This is why car companies charge so much, because it is a job. But I went yesterday to get a diagnostic at a car company, and they're telling me $130 to do a diagnostic when you can literally go to Advance Auto Parts and they will give you a diagnostics test for free. Tell me that ain't amazing. Yeah, I mean, it's totally corroded. So I'm going to need a screwdriver. Alright, I'm back. This is metal wool that I'll be cleaning with, but screwdriver, get a flathead, and then it'll help pop it up. And what you want to do with this screwdriver is it's very simple. Hope you can see me, but you just go underneath the terminal and pop it up. And basically what I'm going to be doing is, let me put my camera back, and what we're going to do alright, welcome back. But what we're going to do with this right here, this is the terminal, and with this is a cleaner. You put it inside and you twist. So you're cleaning it, and you only go one way. Bring it back out, tap that, and then take your steel wool, as you can see right here, and what you're going to do is right on here, you're going to twist. And what you're doing is you're cleaning this because you want it but our major one is going to be this one right here. So we'll be taking it off. And it's hard to work unless you have a cameraman or something. And here we go. I like saving money, kind of doing it myself. Yeah, I mean, usually once you have it, all you do is untwist it. So here we are. As you can see, it's corroded. And what you do is, once you loosen this up, and all I used was this right here, and then all you do is take a screwdriver, flathead, and you put it underneath, and nothing's easy, but yeah, just wedge it up. You're just prying it. And I already, because it's so corroded, see, I already unscrewed it. So I'm going to get this up. So now I just want to show you, you get a little wire brush and you clean it. Look at that, much cleaner. But then you have to not, it won't pry up because it's stuck. It's so corroded. But what you want to do is get in between and just wedge it open. Take some time. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's up. So I got it up, and what I'm going to be doing, get a close-up of it. I'll be getting steel wool and cleaning around this like that. And then I'll be taking this tool here, gently cleaning the inside of this terminal. really easy way. You make some baking soda and you just put it on. And what I'm doing with baking soda is I'm just using it to clean the terminal. Just leave it on there. And baking soda is going to clean it. As you can see, look at that. Well, you might not be able to see, but it is cleaning it. It like bubbles. And you just leave it on there for 2 or 3 minutes. And then you just get a paper towel and you clean it off, basically. But clean it. Look at that. Yeah, that's baking soda right there. Okay, so we're all ready for the air compressor. And what you're doing is just basically that's what you're doing. And then I just take this again and re-clean it. Make sure it's really clean. Redo it. I mean, you can't go both ways, but I try to just do it one way with it. Same with this one here. That's it, huh?
Recording?
Yes, sir. So now that the terminal is totally clean, what you want to do is get some axle grease. Just a little bit. Doesn't need to be that much. Put it on the terminal and put it around. And what this is going to do is help the connection, and also what it's going to do is stop it from corroding. So just put it around. This is the last step, and basically after that, get the rest on, you know, get it off your finger. And then what you do is just put this terminal back on, tighten it up, and it's done. This side is already done. Look how clean that is. The connection is fantastic. And that will be it. And after that, all you have to do is start up your car, and I'll be able to see if the engine light is off, if this was the problem. I believe that after I diagnose it, that will be it. So I want to thank you for watching, and that'll be it. Thank you. Final ending, since now it's all done, what you want to do is put down your hood, come into your car, turn it on, and as you can see, the engine light is not on, and it is totally fixed. I just saved $130, and that was just to get a diagnosis done. And then if you went to a car company, they would have charged me to clean the battery and probably said that I needed a new battery. So I actually saved myself running around, we'll say minus $20. Other than that, I saved around $100 to $200, because if I had to buy a battery too, and my car's running and I had no need for it. So I want to thank you. I hope you learned a lot, and this is a video about saving money. And I just want to show exactly what I used in the video. And of course, a wrench, that's to take the bolts off of your battery. Screwdriver to pry it up. This is a pipe cleaner right here. It works really good to clean the inside. This is also a pipe cleaner, and I used that in the video. Some steel wool to clean the terminal, and this some axle grease, basically just to put on your terminals and to keep it from rusting and corroding. And I mean, it will stop everything, and the connection, the electrical connection, will really get to your battery, to your alternator, and it will solve. But this is all you need. Simple. You don't need a bunch of equipment, and you're saving money and even time, because you take it to a shop, they're going to charge you a lot of money to do exactly what I just did, and you'll get some dirty hands, and that'll be it. So I want you to thank you for watching, and I have a list on the screen of exactly what I used. All right. Have a good day. Thank you for stopping by.